dito na lang. Doon na nalalaabang ka. Okay. Para naman kay Anthony from Marianne Javier, what lesson have you learned from working with the other casts of Incognito?
Actually, marami naman. Mostly ng mga regular ko, kailangan surpass kay Sir Prince. Yun yung mga slacker natin sa maraming lesson. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman yung nagkakagulit yung parang SWAT team. SWAT team? Oo, parang ang mga tama person ako lang ikaw ang target, magulit mo ako.
Sabi nga nito niya, di ba, physical?
Physical talaga. Pero kasi, natutunan mo siya na tuwang mo siya, hindi ko kaya mo siya narinig mo ito. Kaya girl lang. Okay, depends ako sa community.
Hey! Basta mo na, pag-iisan.
Pasunto ka. Wag.
Okay, so syempre actually, we talked about yung mga learnings na natutunan mo dito sa show. Could you also talk to us about, on a scale of 1 to 10, ito, galing kay Julia Nicole, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yung growth mo as an actor dito sa Incognito? And why? O, di ba may and why?
Mga 8 ako. Mga 8?
Mga 8?
Bakit? Kasi syempre, big show siya. So, maraming stars, maraming first time ko nakapasok sa akin sa mga show talaga.
Alright, nandito na yung mga contracts, right? Contracts yung tawag sa kanila.
Grabe yung anticipation, excitement. Siyempre, magpa-message muna tayo, magpa-hello na tayo sa ating mga contracts. Ayan na.
Alright. Simulan muna natin kay Mr. Baron Geisler.
Pero teka lang, ayan na, paano nag-decide siya? Sino ba ang upo sa kanya? Sino ba daw? Nagkakahinga pa si Ian, si Richard, at si Daniel, pero nagbigay-pugay sila. Ay, kuya. Ay, kuya. Ian. Sige. Baron, just to address the fans, message ko sa kanila.
Maraming salamat for being here. Excited din kami makita kayo. And let's all have fun sa, FanCon natin. And please, sa lahat ng mga nandito, panoorin niyo talaga itong Incognito dahil pinaghirapan po namin itong lahat. Solid ito para sa inyo. Love you!
Alright, thank you so much, Baron Geisler. Next up, Kyla Estrada in the house. Good evening, everybody.
Maraming salamat. Thank you for taking the time to be with us today. Mag-enjoy lang tayo tonight. At syempre, sobrang excited na kami na mapanood niyo yung Incognito. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Myra. Let's give it up for Anthony Jennings. Anthony,
Nagawa ko video po sa lahat ng pumunta dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakas ninyo. And of course, sobrang excited na ako ng podcast na ito. Sana ma-appreciate nyo.
yes, yes.
Thank you so much, Anthony Jennings. Next up, Maurice Raffan.
Hello everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Thank you so much for coming tonight. Excited na ba kayo sa Incognito? Kami rin, super. Mag-enjoy na tayo tonight. And thank you so much for coming. Love you guys.
Thank you, Maurice. Nakapalapakan naman po natin, Richard Gutierrez.
Hi everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagkaroon dito sa FanCon ng Incognito. Mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi at sana po abangan ninyo Incognito malapit na.
Thank you, Richard.
Next up, we have Daniel Padilla.
Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat and happy New Year. Ito na po ang Incognito, ilang araw na lang. Sana ko supportahan ninyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel Padilla. Of course, last but not the least,
Incognito July 17 kasi I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo as much as kami nag-enjoy gawin yung show na to.
Alright, maraming salamat po for your initial, pating-pat mo lang, opening remarks ng ating kasamigo dito. Pero, ladies and gentlemen, may request na po kami. Would it be okay to stand up about face for a group photo op with our fans?
Yes.
Yes.
With our fans, so syempre guys, gusto mo, kasama ko kayo, post ko kayo, ipakita kayo mga posters ninyo. Ayan. If you'd also like to ask, yung ilaw po, pwede po i-off against the light po kasi.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Again, the cast of Incognito. Ayan.
Pwede po tayo tumayo. Pwede po tayo tumayo sa ating mga kapamilyas. Alright, let's go. In 1, 2, 3, pose and smile. Alright, maraming po salamat. Thanks to the cast. Pwede po kayong muli na out, take your seats for our Q&A. I hope everybody enjoyed. Pakikita po natin yan sa social media and i-repost po ninyo ha. Gamitin po natin ang hashtag at syempre, let us spread the word about Incognito.
So once again, our hashtag for the news, hashtag Incognito Fandom 2025. And ngayon, syempre, we are having our second segment for tonight, ang Q&A portion natin. Of course, contracts, we have a set of questions for you guys from your fans. Kaya naman, ito na.
Okay.
This first set of questions is for everyone in the cast.
Yan, okay. From May, from Fans Club po ng DJ Forever, Anthony will start with you. Can you think of one word that would describe the bond? Can you think of one word that would describe the bond that you have sa Incognito team? One word that would describe the bond that you guys have at cast.
Curling. Kulot.
Kulot. Parang buhok ni Anthony. Kulot.
Pasa.
Oo, parang si Anthony. Okay, Maurice, go. One word to describe your bond with the Incognito team. Time. Yes. Okay. Mr. Daniel Padilla.
Pamilya.
Yeah.
Okay, Ian.
Richard?
Solid.
Sandy?
Kyra. Strong.
Byron?
Comrades.
Yung talaga, no, blood is thicker than water, but comrades.
Oo, pag-contracts talaga. Blood is
Yes.
thicker than water. Okay, next naman yan, another question from DJP Armies from Joanna. Goals you want to achieve this 2025? Anthony? Goals, yes.
Sige mo na. What to achieve?
Yes.
Ngayong taon.
Ano gusto mo yung achieve, Anthony?
Kahit isa na, gusto ko maayos na makalagayan na. Healthy lang.
Yes. Healthy. Okay, Maurice? Be stronger. Be stronger.
Daniel? Goals that you want to achieve, kahit top of mind goal.
Siguro yung magawa matapos namin magiging itong ginagawa ng show ng Incognito. And for me, my goal now is to make music again. So, yun lang.
Okay, next naman, Ian.
Ako siguro to have a higher quality of connection with everyone I meet, family and strangers as well.
Thank you, Richard.
Sa akin siguro, world peace.
Oo, legit.
Hindi, yun nga, magawa namin ng mga isang Incognito, successful Incognito sa lahat. At it goes to
Thank you, Kyla.
growth in all aspects of my life. Growing in career, in everything that I have experienced and can nurture it and continue to grow throughout the year. And as well as being healthy also, proactively taking care of myself.
Thank you, Myra. Byron? Oh, my goal is to be more dependable as a father, as a husband, also as a craft course sa aking career, and to have meaningful, purposeful relationships, not only with my peers, but the people that I will meet in 2025. So I also want to strengthen my faith with the Lord.